So here's how we can fix the problem for Telegram SMS not being delivered in iPhone. So the first thing that we need to do is head over to our settings here, and then we want to then scroll down, click on General, and you want to now select iPhone storage. From here, it will then compute your iPhone storage. We can now go down to the search bar here at the bottom, and then you simply want to search for Telegram. Once you find Telegram, click on the Telegram option, and then you simply want to then click on Offload App. Select Offload, click on Offload App here, and once you have successfully done that, you should then see Reinstall App. What we want to do is we want to go back and do this through our App Store. So we can then go back, go to the search icon here, and go to the search bar, and simply again search for Telegram. Once you do this, you will then see Telegram Messenger, click into it here, and then you want to reinstall Telegram Messenger. Once it has fully installed, click on Open, and then what we now can do is we can now select Start Messaging, and you now want to enter in your phone number. Once we enter in our phone number, click on Continue, and then you can then click on Continue again. And once you do that, you should then receive the SMS, and if that doesn't work, you just simply need to request a callback, which should help you with the problem that you are having. So that's how simple it is to fix the Telegram SMS problem in iPhone.